Hello everyone. Today I'll tell you the simplest way to sharpen any kitchen knife so that its blade is super sharp. The quality of the knife itself doesn't matter. I have a very simple knife, literally about a dollar, a small one. Of course, you shouldn't expect it to stay sharp for years, so you have to sharpen it periodically. Look, I'll demonstrate this on a whetstone like this one, a piece, to be precise. It's a very old whetstone, coarse-grained. By the way, let me know in the comments if anyone still has those old whetstones, which almost everyone used to have at home. If you have a special knife sharpening stone with different grain sizes, your results will be 10 times better. To sharpen any blade, you only need to follow one rule. It concerns the correct sharpening motions. Look, we can sharpen the product like this, moving it in this direction, like this. And we can move it in this direction. But to sharpen the blade very sharply, we need to combine this movement and this movement. And we need to have something in between. That is, it should be roughly like this. You pull the knife and simultaneously move it. So it's like this pulling motion. This is exactly the sharpening angle. The lower the degree, well, obviously if we tilt it like this, we won't be able to sharpen anything properly. We need to lower it as low as possible, like this. Somewhere around 5-10 degrees will give you a very sharp blade. We apply about a medium pressure, and so we make these movements like pulling and simultaneously moving to the side. And we repeat these movements, of course, until we sharpen it properly, somewhere around 5-10 times on one side. And take it, turn it over in the same way, press it in the same way, and make a pulling motion simultaneously to the side, And repeat this about 5-10 times. Periodically test how sharp it has become. About a minute of this kind of motion is enough, and your knife will be very, very sharp. Write in the comments how you sharpen your knives at home. It would be interesting to read. And let's test it on absolutely any paper. You see, the cut is immediate, that is, literally just a little bit. And the paper is already cut smoothly. The blade becomes very sharp and it lasts for about a month of use before the next sharpening.